If you are not sick and you do not feel sick, why are people waiting in lines?
Oh, you'll be second, third people. Get in line.
Will they join the line even though they have no idea what they'd be waiting for? They're in. We've got them. And now that these two joined the line, the floodgates are open. People just can't resist joining in.
It's a fake line.
Looks like it could be something.
Started with one person, and everyone else followed.
The longer the line got,
Look at this
more
shit.
others wanted to join. Remember, these people have no idea what they're waiting for.
What's this line for? I think it's an event or something.
All it took was one person. Now we've got a crowd of random strangers.
This phenomenon is known as informational social influence, and it occurs when you rely on others to determine your course of action. You're much more likely to use social influence when the situation is ambiguous, such as in a crisis, or when you're uncertain about what to do.
And as you can see, even without a clear reason for waiting,
There's no description, no nothing.
our line grew and grew and grew. It's time to get this show on the road. Where to exactly?
Oh, we moving!
Now that the line is moving, we wanted to see if people would follow along even though they had no idea where they were going. We're going to test the science of follow the leader with 3 unexpected obstacles. First, a dizzying maze.
Where are we going?
And even though the path makes no sense, no one is getting out of the line. Do you think these people will realize they're going nowhere fast? Looks like they're in it for good. Now for the next step, we put tape on the ground to see if people will jump over it just because they saw someone else do it. Think they will? Wow, a spinning jump. 3 points for style.
Shit.
Finally, we set up a hopscotch game and had our ringer do it. Will other people follow suit? Would you? All of these adults are playing this kids game because their brains want to follow the leader. So getting each of them to take a lay from an Elvis impersonator is a no-brainer. Now, for the final part of our Pied Piper experiment, do you think we can get them to dance in a conga line? By now, you probably know the answer. Absolutely
Called sheep.
yes.
It's sheep.
Remember, all this started with just one man waiting in line for nothing. 5 minutes ago, all these strangers were going about